Let's go. Hello Bang Yasir. Kakak Yuma.
Recording in
Yay!
progress.
Wait a minute. Wait.
Oh wow. Long time no see. It's
Yeah,
been
it's been so long.
so long time ago.
So, is it only both of us
Okay.
and the others are not coming yet?
They are on the way.
Yeah, on the way.
Perhaps. Perhaps. As you know, they are so busy with their own business.
Yeah, yeah.
So it's not it's my under control actually.
And so was I. So did I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I do
Yeah,
apologize
yeah.
for not coming to the meetings for
Mhm.
it's more than 5 meetings, wasn't it?
5 minutes.
It's more than that, maybe. I don't know. Maybe.
Yes. Yeah. Exactly. Five minutes. All right. So let's get started, shall we? Before that, let's open our class by praying according to trust one another. Let's pray. Begin. Amen, amen, and over. All right. So as usual, as always, yeah, I'd like to know about your condition. Start from Kakak Yuma first. Yeah. Selma, I miss you so much. How are you
Yay,
today?
you.
We miss you so much.
Yeah.
I guess, yeah. So how are you today? How is it going? What have you
Um,
been? What have you
Alhamdulillah, I
done?
got it's getting better and better every day. Like last time, if I'm mistaken, it's 2 days ago. I accompanied my husband to join a
Mm-hmm.
test. It's especially this is the second what do you call that? This is the second test for joining the
Uh-huh.
JPNS program. And yeah, we do hope
And
that
then
yeah, hopefully that he will pass the examination and by the end of this month, he's going to face the last, what do you call that? The last examination, which is about, because he is a sports teacher, so he is going to, what do you call that? Like, micro teaching or something like that.
uh-huh.
Like teaching practice in front of the people
Oh
or
yeah.
the judges there. And me myself, fortunately, I'm officially work after a very long time. Actually, I used to work at one of the senior high school in my
Tiny house.
in my small city here. But then I should resign because I had to
Why?
continue my study, taking the
Oh.
PPG and something like that. And finally, after all the roller coaster. Finally, I came back there as a teacher again, and fortunately, I'm coming back to the same school that I used to teach there long time ago.
Wow. Amazing. Marvelous.
Yeah.
I'm speechless actually. So yeah, that's why actually I have no reason that I should force you to come to this class. You have all your business.
Tidak juga. Don't say that. No, you know that these positive
Uh-huh.
vibes. I really need this because it's what do you call that? It's once in a
What
blue
about?
moon, right? It's
Oh,
once in a
once
blue,
in a
it's
blue
once in a
moon.
blue moon. Like,
Yeah, it's
yeah,
like
I'm
once per month.
having friends to talk in English, and
Mm-hmm.
teaching at school is not always communicating with students in English. Yeah, kan? And maybe some of the teachers they won't speak English even though they are English teachers, right? So
Yes,
this English
indeed.
community is really positive to me.
Really. Learning it should be fun and it should be, you know, uh, indeed that many English teacher want to speak English with various of society, yeah,
Mm-mm.
even like this, yeah, community in English really, really got useful things. So thank you so much for coming again to this class,
Yeah,
Kakak Yuma.
the
So
pleasure is mine.
As you wish. All right, thank you. Next then, Babang Yasir ya. Actually, Babang Yasir is the wise person come to this class. So how you today, Babang Yasir?
Hello.
Hello, hello.
It's fine.
Fine today.
Yeah.
Oh, all right. I guess you want to say my day was nothing to do with you. I'm just kidding. All right. So I'm glad to hear that from you, Babang Yasir. So thank you so much again and again. I can't thank you enough. Yeah. It always make me blow my soul, make my soul uh, thrill. Actually. Okay, thank you so much. Next to Babang Idi. He has got new hairstyle.
Yeah, I
Wow.
just cut my hair.
What we call that? What we call that? Is it comma
I
hair?
don't know. I just cut the side of my hair.
Oh, you cut by
I-
yourself?
No, no,
Or
no,
you?
no. In the barber
Oh,
shop.
or you say you can say I have the hairstyle or I got the hairstyle because we can't
Good.
cut our hairstyle right by ourselves if you can. Okay, so
Oh
how
yeah,
today?
okay.
Yeah, how are you
Okay,
today,
okay.
Babang Idi?
Thank you, thank you.
Yeah, my pleasure. How are you
Yeah,
today?
oh, I'm
A
fine.
lovely,
Thank you. I'm
lovely
fine.
day
Good.
today.
Yeah,
Friday night. Yeah, as a Muslim, we seek for the Friday. Okay, so thank you so much for
yeah.
coming, Babak Idi. Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Babak Idi is the one of the diligent person who always come to this class, yeah, every day, and I really appreciate your time, your energy. Kakak Yuma, you should learn from already. I'm just
Thank
kidding.
you, thank you.
Okay, so thank you so much.
Thank you.
Next to Babang Rava, the youngest here. Babang Rava, hello. Good evening. Okay, how was your day? How's life been treating you? Gimana kabarnya? How are you today? Is there any new things in your life that you've got, perhaps? Hello. Oh, it's stuck, yeah? What's going on with your connection? All right, then now I'm going to move to ask Kakak Dwi. Hello, Kakak Dwi. Good evening. Welcome back to our class.
Hi,
Oh,
good evening. Um, I'm good today.
good today.
Yeah,
Is there any new
lot
things that you
lot
got?
lot of work today.
Lot of work today.
And I haven't take the shower yet.
Oh, you haven't taken the shower yet.
Yes, I haven't
Okay.
taken the shower.
All right. So perhaps after this class, before you go to
Yeah,
sleep, you
sure.
should think about.
Okay.
It feels things. All right.
Okay.
I don't believe that you asking something like that. Okay. Thank you so much. Next to Kakak Desi. Wow. Whew. Kakak Desi, hello. Welcome back to our class. Kakak Desi is connecting to her audio. Kakak Desi, hello, hello.
Hello, Bang Isan. Can you hear my
Hello.
voice?
Yes, it's
Okay.
truly clear. So where are you
Okay.
now? Oh wow, yeah, freedom to learn. No boundaries of education. Okay, tidak ada batasan untuk belajar. Oke, merdeka belajar. So, Kakak Desi, how are you today?
Sorry.
Wow, what you say? Sorry. What for it? Okay, Kakak Desi, how are you today?
Fine, thank you.
Oh
How
yeah,
about
where
you,
you
Bang
at?
Isan?
I'm
Yeah, I'm
so
still in
happy.
school.
Still in school?
Yeah.
Okay, do you want to stay night today?
Yeah, I'm still at school
Mhm.
to prepare for the report card distribution for tomorrow. Yeah,
Wow.
so in this school there are so many teachers here.
So every school did the same thing.
Yes, but maybe because we have a lot of preparation. Yeah, so we still stay at school.
But you still come to this class.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Yeah, it means the world for me. Okay. No, I melted, man. I'm melting. Oh. All right. So thank you so much, Kakak Desi. Enjoy your
Okay,
time.
Pak
Yeah, while
Iksan.
while learning. I mean, oh yeah, guys. Also, if you haven't had dinner, if you haven't eaten yet, please, yeah, no biggie. Okay, it's not a big deal if you have dinner while learning. It's totally fine. Yeah, you can grab the snack, grab your uh fizzy drink, I guess. Yeah, like soda drink and so on. A water, bottled water, like me here. Live mineral. Ada manis-manisnya. Okay, so the last participant, the last person is Babang Daniel. Hello, Babang Daniel. Welcome back to our class. And how is it going today? How's your day?
I'm good.
Good today, Babang Daniel. All right. Are you doing another meeting? Another
No,
class?
sambil ujian aja.
Oh, while taking the exam. Okay. So please pray for Babang Daniel, yeah. So he could run the exam well. I mean, pass the exam, of course. So yeah, thank you so much for all of you for joining the class today. And by the way, today is not the end of our class. Okay, our class will be ended tomorrow, and I hope you guys can join the class. Yeah. Ya. Jadi kakak Yuma and buat temennya semua aja guys. Ya. Di kelasnya itu actually our class will be end this day. Hari ini harusnya itu selesai ya. Tapi karena because you know I faced the sick like 2 days and should change the class. Ya, jadi besok dan juga ada tugas ya buat teman. Tugasnya apa? Tugasnya itu piece of cake ya. You have to make a video. Record yourself while speaking in English. So, are you ready, guys? I'm going to give you the question. So you don't need to think what you should say. It's not about random things. So it's kind of like introduce yourself and yeah, let me think. Yeah, the question. Okay, thank you. So today's lesson, yeah, we're gonna learn about food and drink. Who doesn't love food? Who doesn't love drink? Yeah. So to kick off the lesson, so we have a question. What's your favorite food or drink? So what is that? I'm going to start here from kakak. Okay, kakak Yuma first. Kakak Yuma.
Me?
Kakak Yuma.
Mau dikerjain ini kayaknya. Oke.
No. Of course
Okay.
not. So, yeah. So,
Hmm.
do you have any favorite food and what is that?
My favorite food maybe it's like the other people. I like rawon. You can say that. I can rawon because I
Rawon.
really love the juicy thing that coming out of the meat. And it's so look at that. It contains lots of flavor, like the spices in Banyuwangi because I'm coming from Banyuwangi, and
Yes.
yeah, it's like I don't know, it's like juicy things. I really love meat. That thing. Itu sih. That's it. The meatery
Wow,
things.
nice. Rawon. Actually, I haven't tried rawon.
Oh,
Yeah,
you
in my
should try
life.
that. You
Yeah,
should try that.
I should. Oh, especially the rawon made by you.
Yes. Waduh. Forget.
Can
Yes.
can you cook?
Hopefully, yes.
Okay. Oh, nice. Of course, yeah, you are the wife. Okay, so rawon. What about the drink?
My favorite drink is coffee, especially the sugar brown coffee, because you know that drinking coffee makes us feel motivated, and the smell of the coffee makes me especially feels like, hey, wake up and smell the coffee, and something like that.
Yeah.
And something like that, and it's like
Sadar diri
every
ya?
morning. So every morning I sometimes I make the coffee. Even though my husband is not a coffee man, so
Happy man.
he's not a coffee man. He likes to drink just plain water, but I prefer drinking the coffee one. And you know that sometimes hanging out with friends, drinking coffee or ordering coffee, yeah, like yeah, makes me younger than my age is. Yeah, that's right.
Okay. All right, so nice. Coffee. Wow. Thank you so much, Kakak Yuma. So
My
that's
pleasure.
great. Thank you. Next to Babang Yasir. What about you? What is your favorite food, Bang Yasir?
Hmm, I think it is ice cream. Ice cream.
Ice cream.
Yeah, I like ice cream.
We scream. We all scream for ice cream. Ice cream. Why?
Uh,
Why
I
just
don't
ice
know.
cream?
I like the sweetness from ice cream.
Yeah,
I like the sweet.
the sweet, but you don't. Oh, name. You have to. You have to know you're enough to consume the ice cream because ice cream contains a lot of sugar and so bad for our healthy. Yeah, actually, it's unhealthy when it comes to too much to drink, too much to consume. I mean, so yeah. What about the drink? Actually, ice cream is dessert. Yeah, it's not fruit in it. In it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Uh,
What about the
for,
specific food like?
for drink, I like coffee, like some
Coffee,
Ayuma. Yeah, I like coffee. A latte, but a little
latte.
bit of sugar.
Mm-hmm. The less sugar, yeah, less
Yeah,
sugar, brother.
less sugar.
Oh, it means less sugar. Neat. Nice. Do you like Americano? One
Mm,
shot?
no, it's too. No,
Too bitter. Because I have tried. My friend, yeah, pranked me. Oh my god. It's unforgettable moment.
same. I just try
I
it once and okay, I
I was
never.
I was foolish at that time. You know, I tried to. You have to try this. It's so sweet. I know that you like sweet. Oh, I can believe like that. Okay, so thank you so much, Bang Yasir. Ice cream and drink. Coffee. Coffee. Oh, a lot of coffee person here who likes drink a coffee. Okay. So next to Kakak Dwi. Okay, Kakak Dwi, what about you? What is your favorite food? Or what is your favorite
Uh,
drink? And
I
why?
like meat,
Meat. This is
meat,
meat? Mhm.
beef.
Oh,
Yeah,
beef.
yeah.
Mhm.
I like beef and I like coffee.
Coffee also.
Yeah. Also Americano. I like it.
Americano.
Yeah.
Wow.
Americano ice without sugar.
Oh, without sugar. Yeah,
Yeah.
of course. Americano is bitter, too bitter. Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm still feeling in my tongue the taste.
Yeah. First time.
Yeah, for
Uh,
the
but when you continuous drink,
mm-hmm.
you can enjoy the Americano. Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you. All right, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Beef, yeah, beef, like
Beef.
Wagyu, perhaps. Okay, Wagyu
Uh,
A5.
Local beef is okay.
Local beef.
Yeah.
That's okay.
It's okay.
Okay, thank you. Next, Babang Idi. What about you, Babang Idi? What is your favorite drink? Favorite food? Drink?
I love tempeh so much.
Tempeh. Wow, it contains a lot of protein, a good protein. Yeah, tempeh. Okay. Um, can you tell the reason?
You know, I just enjoy it. Tempeh.
Mm,
The taste is tasty, I think.
mm-hmm. Tasty. Yeah, we just need to put some sugar
Oh,
on the top, and then yeah, it's so simple, easy to make. tempeh, like fried tempeh. We can enjoy eating with the warm rice. Yeah, nice. Yeah, I love it. So with the sambal, sambal, yeah, sambal Bang Edi.
Just
Ah,
tempeh and rice is quite
yeah, good for having a breakfast, especially. And what about your favorite drink? What you like?
I love tea. Think tea.
Tea, yeah, tea. Besides coffee, okay,
I'm
many
tea
people,
person.
tea person. Tea also contains caffeine, yeah,
Yeah.
not only coffee. Yeah, tea also contains caffeine. It's so good for our mood, yeah, to boost our mood, especially. I love tea rather than coffee, actually. Sorry, got hair. So yeah, is that all? Is that
That's
all?
all. That's all. That's
That's
all,
all.
Bang Sai.
Okay, thank you so much, Bang Idi. Thank you. Next to Kakak Desi. Kakak Desi, what is your favorite food and drink?
My favorite food is like simple food like chicken noodles
Chicken noodle.
and taichan satay.
Oh,
Taichan
the
satay.
Taichan. Wow, yeah, I love it
Yeah,
so much.
the most important thing is it has to be spicy.
It has to be spicy. So you mean you like spicy foods?
Yes.
We are in the same page. I mean, like we are same. I love spicy food. Yeah, because
Okay.
I used to consume spicy food. Yeah, even during during since I was a little age like that. Yeah, my grandma always make spicy food
Spicy
for me.
food.
Yeah, and I love it so much. Yeah, even my stomach sometimes will get hurt, but yeah, it's okay. I still love it. Yeah, love the spicy food. Okay, thank you. What about your drink? Or your favorite
Okay,
drink?
my favorite drink is coffee. Yeah, especially for palm sugar coffee
Oh, pumpkin sugar.
with less ice and less sugar.
Less ice and less sugar.
Less ice and less
Oh,
sugar. Yes.
nice. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you so much. That's all. All right. Thank you so much, Kang Desi. And next to Daniel. Babang Daniel. So, Babang Daniel, what is your favorite food and drink?
My favorite food is maybe satay.
Satay?
Hmm.
Yeah. Why?
Okay. I like peanut sauce and smokiness taste from satay.
Uh-huh.
Hmm. And then
It's-
drinks maybe I like ice water.
Oh, the ice water.
Yes, I don't really
Yeah,
like
it's
sweet drinks.
or you don't really like a taste or drink has a taste like that. There's a mineral water with the
Yeah, I mean
ice, yeah,
water with ice.
with ice. Nice.
Mhm.
Okay, thank you so much, Babang Daniel.
Okay.
Oh, okay, a different answer, yeah, a different answer. Okay, next to Babang Rava nih. Babang Rava, your perspective, what is your favorite food?
My favorite food is soto.
Pardon me?
Soto.
Soto. Soto, lovely. Okay, so why?
Because it's tasty, of course.
Tasty, has got of flavors, yeah. Soto, banyak
Not too
banget
sweet.
rasa-rasanya, ya. Salty, ya, sour, kadang asam, kadang asin, ya. Asin juga sih. Spicy,
udah nemuin hitam.
with egg. Hello there. Okay, what about your drink? Kakak
Just
Rizky?
water.
What?
Just
Pardon me?
water.
Just water. Ah, yeah, nice, yeah. Indeed, yeah, our body contains 70% of water, and we should drink a water. Minimum, I guess, eight, eight, eight glasses, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. Correct me if I'm wrong. Okay. So thank you so much, Baba Rafa. That's great. Okay. So Kakak Aaron, welcome back to our class. Kakak Aaron. Kakak Risti Aaron. Hello. Good evening.
Hello.
Hello. Good evening. How are you today?
Little bit hectic, but I'm good.
A little bit hectic, but you're still good. Yeah. I'm so happy to hear that, Kakak Aaron. Okay. And by the way, today our topic is about favorite food and drink. Yeah. So we have a question here. What is your favorite food and drink,
Sorry?
Kak Aaron? What is your favorite food?
My favorite food maybe noodle.
Noodle.
Yeah. Or
Is there any-
ramen or
Ramen.
ramen, spaghetti, noodle, Indomie.
Do you prefer Indomie or mie sedap?
I like Indomie. I prefer
Indomie.
just
Indomie seleraku. Oke, apakah aku harus menjadi Indomie agar menjadi seleramu? Enggak, bercanda. Oke, so thank you so much. What about your drink?
What?
Your drink, your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is mineral water.
Mineral water. Of course, yeah. But, hey! Oh, it's so crowded over there. So busy, yeah.
Sorry, this
So
is
noisy, so noisy.
so noisy. So
Yeah.
many nephew.
Yeah, so many little talk. All right. Thank you so much, Kakak Aaron, for coming also to our class. All right. So it's great to know, yeah, about your favorite food and drink, great people. Yeah. For me myself, my favorite food is all about food that made, yeah, and the taste should be spicy, especially the traditional food from my hometown. Okay, it's called nasi balap puyung. Basically white rice, yeah. So like and the what name? The chicken, yeah. But it is not the fried chicken. It's like grilled chicken, and I love it so much. But I couldn't find here in Pare. So hard to find it. But in Pare, I love uh, chicken smackdown atau ayam geprek. I love it so much. Yeah, yeah. Also, the vegetables like spinach, water, kangkung. I love it so much. And toge. What is that? What we call it toge in English? No. So yeah. Now, great people, let's move on. Okay. Let's talk about the vocabularies reverse to food and drink. Okay. What we got here. Okay. So now, because our time is so insufficient, nggak cukup gitu. Jadi now I'm going to read for you and you have to repeat after me. So, and I'm going to what the name? Rap to the point gitu langsung aja. To break it down together. So the first vocabulary is rotten. Rotten or rotten. Nah, bacanya sebenarnya rotten. Ya, rotten. So, rotten. Rotten it means ada yang tahu? Does everyone know what is rotten?
Busuk,
Rotten.
isn't it?
Yes. Busuk. Nah, busuk. Kalau nggak busuk apa? Kalau nggak busuk itu berarti segar ya. Fresh. Or you could say unrotten. Ya. Fresh ya. Bisa fresh. Gitu. Kalau nggak busuk ya. Okay. So we have an example. The fruit is starting to go rotten. Apa? Buah-buahannya ya. It's starting to go rotten. Akan busuk gitu. Mulai akan membusuk atau busuk. The fruit is starting to go rotten. So now, Babang Idi, could you please give me example with a rotten, with the word rotten? your own example. Babang Idi, please. Busuk. Babang Idi?
Okay.
Okay.
I can eat the bananas because it is rotten.
Yes, you can't. We can't eat the bananas because it's a rotten. Yeah.
Oh,
Okay,
it
great.
is
It's
bananas ya. Okay.
yeah, because the banana is rotten. Gitu. Karena ini adalah adjective, ya, adjective we should put the to be, before the adjective. So thank you so much. Great, Babang Idi. Next ada ripe. Ripe is a matang. Matang, ripe. Bacanya ripe. Some the apples are not quite ripe. Beberapa apelnya nggak cukup matang. Are not quite ripe. Beberapa apelnya nggak cukup matang. So, now, Kakak Dwi, could you please give me example with ripe?
I have no idea. What's it?
You can tell your favorite food.
Mhm.
Favorite fruit maybe when it comes to ripe. Gitu. Apa? Coba bahasa Indonesianya lah, bahasa Indonesianya.
Oke, Indonesia. Aku makan telur setengah matang.
I
eat
eat
eggs half
ripe.
ripe. I eat eggs half ripe.
Okay,
Ripe.
half ripe. Okay. So thank you so much ya. Setengah matang.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Next ada salty. Salty. Bacanya teman-teman repeat after me. Salty. Salty.
Salty.
What is that? Salty artinya adalah asin, ya. Kalau garam itu kan salt, ya. Kalau garam aja itu salt. Nah, garam. So the taste of salt is salty, ya. Dari rasa dari garam itu adalah asin. I prefer eating salty food than sweet. Saya lebih suka makan, ya, makanan yang asin daripada yang manis. So, Babang Yasir, could you please give us example with salty word?
Okay. My food is a little bit too salty.
Oh, your food is too little bit
Too salty.
salty. Okay. You could say, just say, the food is too salty or the food is little bit salty. Because we couldn't say too little bit. Lebih tapi sedikit gitu. Artinya gitu. Itu Babang Yasir. So you have to choose ya. Is it little bit or too? Ya. Terlalu atau sedikit? Gitu Babang Yasir. Okay. Thank you so much. Okay, next ada junk food. Okay. Junk food. Dan makanan tidak sehat ya, junk food. Yeah. It could be fast food. Yeah. Fast food is the part of junk food. Yeah. Like pizza, a burger, something like that. Okay. Next, my friend likes junk food such as crepes, sweets, and fizzy drinks. Temanku suka ya makanan manis ya, makanan manis such as crepes gitu, sweets ya, sweets ini lebih ke arah makanan yang manis gitu, and fizzy drinks minuman bersoda ya, like Coca-Cola, something like that. So now Kakak Yuma, could you please give me example with the junk food? Junk food.
Maybe I don't really like junk food because it's not healthy for our body.
Yeah. Oh, but have you ever tried the junk food?
Maybe yes. You can say it's like, what do you call that? Junk food?
What's
Junk
that?
food.
Junk
Pizza?
food?
Is it junk food,
Yeah,
right?
pizza. Yes, pizza is junk food. Okay, like the food that makes it fast to made, gitu. Cepat dibuatnya gitu ya. Itu junk food sebenarnya. Oke, next ada local food. Local food atau makanan daerah. Local food. Many cities have a local food pantries. Nah, kalau local food pantries di sini artinya beda ya. Ini artinya adalah dapur umum. Gitu. Many cities have a local food pantries. Banyak kota-kota memiliki dapur umum. Gitu. Okay, local food. I'm going to ask Kakak Dwi. Kakak Dwi, could you please give me an example with local food? Sorry, Kakak Desi.
Oh,
Kebal
okay.
lupa. Kakak Desi ya, Kakak Desi. sorry.
Yes,
Sorry.
hello.
Hello. So, could you please
Okay.
give us example with the local food?
Local food is not makanan lokal ya?
Ya,
Bukan ya?
makanan lokal. Ya, bisa.
Oh, bisa.
Makanan lokal atau makanan daerah.
Oke,
Makanan
oke.
lokal. Sorry for
Okay,
interrupting
wait a
you.
minute.
Uh-huh.
Okay, rujak cingur is
Rujak.
delicious local food in East Java,
Wow.
maybe.
Yeah. So thank you so much. Yeah, local food. It's like gudeg and like
Hmm.
that. Yeah. That's local food. Okay. We could say another word for this is cousin. Cousin food. Yeah. Same. Sorry. Cousin food. Okay. Next ada crunchy atau renyah. Crunchy, renyah. Crisp, crunchy cookies are usually high in fat. Ya. Crisp. Ya, keripik-keripik itu. Crunchy. Cookies. Ya. Biasanya tinggi akan lemak. Ya. Fat, usually high in fat. Di sini artinya fat ini adalah lemak, teman-teman. Ya, lemak. Now, sorry. Babang Daniel. Could you please give me example with the crunchy atau renyah?
I like fried chicken because the skin is very crunchy and the meat is very tasty.
Very tasty and juicy ya biasanya tuh.
Yes, juicy.
Berair gitu kayak kita buka tuh when we open the skin, bro. Wah, when we scratch the skin like it's juicy. Ya, berair. Okay, thank you so much. Next ada sticky. Sticky atau kita bisa bilang di sini lengket ya. Sticky. Lengket. Sticky. There's a dish of mango with sweet sticky rice. Ada hidangan, ya, hidangan makanan dari mangga, ya, with sweet sticky rice. Sticky rice di sini artinya adalah ketan. Sticky rice, ketan. Ya, ketan. Nasi ketan, gitu ya. Ketan yang manis, ketan manis. Next ada greasy or greasy. Tahu artinya adalah berminyak. Oh iya, sorry. Lupa ya nanya. Kalau sticky, now Babang Rafa. Babang Rafa. Could you please give example with a sticky? Yep.
This food is too sticky. I can't even eat it.
All right. So nice, yeah. Thank you so much. Great. Okay, next ada greasy, ya, berminyak. The food, this food is a bit greasy. Makanan ini sedikit berminyak. Okay, we have to avoid the greasy food and don't eat too much. Okay, next Kakak Aaron, could you please give me example with the greasy? Kakak Aaron? Kakak Aaron?
Yeah.
With the
I
greasy.
will. I don't really like greasy food
Why? Because it's greasy.
because it's greasy.
All right, thank you. Ang. Okay, thank you so much. Next ada tasteless ya. Tasteless artinya adalah hambar, teman-teman. Sadayana, teman-teman semuanya. Hambar, tasteless. The food we get here is tasteless. Makanan yang kita dapat di sini atau makanan di sini itu hambar. Makanan di sini itu hambar. Okay, next ada spicy atau pedas. Pedas. I don't like spicy food. Saya nggak suka makanan yang pedas. Wow. Next ada sour. Sour itu asam. Cara bacanya teman-teman sour. Tapi jangan samakan dengan membaca sour ya. Kalau sour itu pakai dimoncongin bibirnya itu untuk mandi ya, sour. Kalau sour itu ada sour atau sour. The sauce tastes very sour. Sausnya, rasa sausnya sangat sangat asam. Ya, very sour. Next ada juicy. Juicy artinya adalah berair. Berair. Gini, sorry. Berair. They like juicy fruit to eat as well as people and when they are hungry. Mereka suka buah-buahan ya yang berair untuk dimakan ya, as well as people ya, sama seperti orang ya. And they are hungry. Dan mereka lapar. And I am hungry. Gitu ya. Nah, karena ada kata-kata hungry di sini, kalau teman-teman bilang sangat lapar atau kelaparan ya, saya kelaparan gitu. Udah kebelet nih pengen makan gitu ya. Nah, you could say I'm starving. Nah, starving artinya adalah saya kelaparan. I'm starving. Oke. Next ada lagi sebenarnya untuk gurih itu kita bisa bilang tasty ya. Tasty ya itu gurih. Terus ada juga kata-katanya savory ya. Tapi tasty juga bisa digunakan. Oke, gitu aja teman-teman tentang useful vocabularies ya, tentang food and drink. You can use these these words while telling about your favorite food later. Okay, that's all. Next to the slide. Nah, let's describe them. Okay, describe di sini ini kita lihat ya. And then actually you don't need to translate ya everything food in Indonesia ya, teman-teman sebenarnya nggak perlu untuk menerjemahkan makanan yang asli dari Indonesia ke bahasa Inggris. Because it is our own food ya, makanan kita. Teman-teman nggak perlu. Contohnya kayak misalnya nasi goreng gitu. Bilang aja nasi goreng because it's from Indonesia ya, itu berasal dari Indonesia. Terus contohnya apalagi gudeg, pecel gitu-gitu itu kan nggak perlu di translate. Yang perlu adalah what is it like ya, kayak gimana tuh nasi goreng. Misalnya ditanya kayak gimana tuh nasi goreng ya, kayak gini. You have to describe gitu. Describe aja, just describe gitu. Tapi namanya itu nggak perlu di translate gitu. Kalau teman-teman translate juga nggak apa-apa. Okay, now we have got 3 pictures. Ada 3 gambar di sini. The first is fried rice, nasi goreng. Ini ada bakso, but it not seems like bakso ya. Kelihatan seperti bakso. Ini kayak lebih ke arah sop gitu ya. Terus ada apa nih ya? Yang terakhir ini apa nih? Okay, the first is this is spicy fried rice with a fried egg, vegetables, sausage, and fried shrimp. Yeah, it is very tasty. Ini adalah nasi goreng. Nasi goreng dengan telur goreng. Terus sayur-sayuran, ya, like tomatoes. Okay, slice of tomatoes, lemon. Okay, what is that? And then, no, okay. Sausages, ya. Terus sausages itu adalah sosis. And fried some, udang goreng. It is very tasty. Okay. Next ada pictures number 2. This is Indonesian meatball soup with vegetables. Nah, bacanya itu vegetables ya, teman-teman. Vegetables. Bukan vegetables, tapi vegetables. Sama kayak comfortable kemarin ya. It is sometimes tasty, sweet. Alright, Babang Yasir. Thank you so much. AFK nggak tuh ya? Oke, ya, benar. Kayak main Mobile Legends aja. Oke, a little salty, sour, or spicy. Alright. So, ini adalah bakso ya, tapi ini lebih bukan bakso yang common yang kita lihat ya, teman-teman. Sop ini mah. Sop ditambahin pentol itu, tambahin bakso ya. Ini adalah sop. Oke. It is sometimes tasty, ini kadang-kadang itu dia gurih, sweet, manis ya, a little salty ya, sedikit asam, sour, sedikit asin, asam gitu tuh, sour, or spicy atau pedas. Alright, so for the last picture ya, untuk gambar yang terakhir ini teman-teman di describe. Ini adalah tugas, it is your homework ya, adalah PR teman-teman nantinya ya. But you know that because our time is not sufficient, nggak cukup gitu ya, not enough. Nah, tugasnya adalah ngapain ya? Describe ya. It is apa? Kita bisa es buah. Kadang sometimes different region Indonesia it different name ya. Jadi ini tuh berbeda daerah di Indonesia, berbeda namanya ya. Oke, so you have to send the voice note ya. Jadi teman-teman itu nge-voice note dari ini gambar ini. Oke, setelah kelas gitu. Deadline-nya besok sebelum kelas. Oke, got it. Nanti saya akan ingatkan lagi di grup ya. Saya akan ingatkan lagi. Oke, gitu aja teman-teman ya. Dan bisa lihat contohnya ya, gunakan vocab-vocab yang di atas tadi that we've learned ya. Bisa digunakan itu ya. Oke. So now it's your practice time by the way ya. Waktunya praktek teman-teman. Biasa you have to look at the 10 question ya. Lihat di 10 soalnya. Oke. Kalau ada pertanyaan tentang soalnya bisa ditanyakan ya. Kalau nggak ada, kalau clear aman langsung aja ke breakout room. So 8 people, berarti di dalam satu ruangan itu ada 2 orang. Nice. Alright, so 1, 2, 3. There we go. Great people, enjoy your practice with your partner.
Halo Kak Desi.
Oh, hello Kak Ima.
Kak
Oke.
Yuma.
Long time no see, Kak Ima.
Yeah, wah, such a busy days everyone. But
You're so
fortunately we
busy,
meet
woman.
again. Dalam satu sesi ini, that's very nice that having both of you together in one room ya. So, ini yang share screen siapakah?
Oh iya, saya.
Oke.
Okay, let's start. Kak Dewi, what is your favorite food or drink?
My favorite food is beef, maybe beef, rendang beef,
Steak,
and my
maybe.
okay, but I like rendang beef too.
Mm.
Okay, and my favorite drink is coffee or
Americano.
yeah, but I think apa lebih sering itu apa sih?
It's
Lebih sering minum air putih.
okay. So
Jadi kopi. Ya.
you drink plain water more often.
Oh yeah, I drink plain water
More often.
over
More often.
more often.
Yes.
I drink plain water more often.
It's so
And
healthy ya, Kak Dewi. And how about you, Kak Yuma?
my favorite
You
food
like
and drink,
rawon?
yeah, maybe it's the same with Kak Dewi, yeah, because I really love something that meatery or something like that, especially beef, and especially what do you call that? Like what I said before, I really love rawon because the juicy flavor that coming out of the beef hits different gitu lah ya. And about the drink, yeah, every time I go to some cafe or yeah, hanging out with my friends, I always order brown sugar coffee or taro.
Taro.
Yeah, taro.
Oh.
And what about you, Kak Desi? What's your favorite food and drink?
Yeah, my favorite food is chicken noodle
Mm.
and taichan satay. And then yeah, all about the spicy food I like.
Can you? I feel like
And
I'm sorry. It's apa ya? I know nothing about the Taichan satay. Can you describe it, please?
oh, you don't know?
Yeah, I don't know.
Sayur apa?
Seriously, Taichan satay. Yeah, seriously,
Okay.
I don't know. Maybe I don't know.
You know, if satay usually consists of peanut sauce.
Oh
Yeah.
yeah.
But Taichan satay is you know, just like sambal. Yeah,
Mm-mm.
sambal. And then you know apa sih ya? Kayak garam garam
Oh,
apa itu ya?
Micin.
Apa Kak Dewi?
garam
Micin.
Himalaya, micin.
Iya kayak micin gitu.
Yeah, kayak micin.
Itu
I like
cuma
satay Taichan too. But
yeah.
in Medan, I have I couldn't aku tidak bisa menemukan. I can't find
Mm-mm.
Taichan tasty.
Oh, wait, I'm going to
Yeah, it's
find
like
it out.
you can search.
Mm-mm.
So Taichan satay is like
Oh,
grilled chicken.
Dan satay.
Yeah.
okay. And it's all white.
It is
Yeah, it's not like,
Yeah, it's all
oh,
white.
okay. It's a new thing to me. Seriously.
Yeah, but the taste is spicy and salty, just like that.
tasty.
Spicy, salty, and tasty.
Is it especially
But
for chicken meat?
chicken.
Yeah, chicken meat and then skin.
Oh,
Skin.
okay.
Yeah, like that. So my favorite drink is coffee, same like Kak Yuma, Kak Dewi ya. But I prefer palm sugar latte. Palm sugar latte with less ice and less sugar. Okay. And number two, how does it taste, Kak Dewi? Rendang ya. How
Rendang.
does it taste?
I think when I'm in Java Island, it is in Java and North Sumatra. They have different taste. Different taste. masakan Padang. Yeah,
Padang cuisine.
I don't know how to say, but in Java, aku tidak bisa menemukan kalau aku makan di resto Padang atau warung Padang di Jawa itu kayak nggak bisa sembarangan gitu. Aku punya langganan gitu. Cuman kalau di Medan, kamu mau makan warung Padang itu kayak
Recording in
kamu
progress.
Same taste.
you can choose
Oh.
random and it is
Most likely the same.
tasty, yeah,
Hmm.
tasty. Beda rasanya. Jadi kalau di Medan kamu rumah makan Padang itu 10.000 udah dapat nasi sama rendang atau nasi ayam. 10.000. 10.000 dan itu pasti rasanya enak. Kalau kamu milih random gitu, misal di GoFood atau kemana, pasti enak. Tapi kalau di Jawa, kayak misalnya tempat aku ya
Different
di
taste.
Solo,
It's oh.
iya di Solo atau dulu kemarin tahun lalu aku di Bandung itu milih ke warung Padang, itu belum tentu enak masakan Padangnya gitu. Tapi kalau di Medan, warung Padang manapun pasti enak kan. Aku jamin itu dari yang murah sampai mahal. Even if you know restoran sederhana
Oh ya.
Warung
di
makan sederhana.
di Jawa dan di Sumatera beda banget rasanya. Kayak di Medan itu kayak lebih rasanya bener-bener enak kali dibanding
Yes, ya.
di Jawa. Padahal
Jepang.
sama-sama mereknya. Percaya sama aku. Kayak harus coba ya.
Yeah, we should
I never go
try
to the
kayaknya
North
kan itu
Sumatra.
ya.
Maybe different spices, rempah-rempah ya, bumbunya
Maybe,
mungkin.
maybe, yeah. Maybe.
Different spices.
And I think it's not because of the spices. Maybe they are trying to figuring out kayak menebak-nebak rasa gitu, or maybe they are trying to add some local spices.
Maybe. Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
in the main ingredients maybe.
Okay. So how does rawon taste, Kak Yuma?
Oh, rawon. It tastes so savory, tasty, and then juicy. And even though it's a little bit oily or
Greasy.
yeah, a little bit like that, but the taste of the kluwek, and then if you add with warm rice and the salted eggs with the shrimp crisp or kerupuk, you can say that. It's a total damage, yeah, to me because I really like that. And the toge, what is toge in English? Yeah.
Okay.
Bean sprouts ya.
Oh yeah,
Bean sprouts
a bean
inside.
sprout. Yeah, bean sprout. Thank
Sprouts.
you. And what about you? The what do you call it? The what do you call that? The palm
Taichan.
sugar latte. Nah, Taichan yang tadi
Oh,
udah kan
Taichan
ya.
satu. Iya, iya.
Itu the palm sugar latte
Palm sugar
less
latte.
less iced.
Yeah.
Heeh.
Maybe the
Recording
taste
stopped.
same with the brown sugar ya.
Oh ya, cuma
Yeah,
lebih ke latte.
it's quite same. Yeah. Of course, sweet. And you like coffee yourself? Yeah, I think there is no special flavor. I think it's just like
Iya,
coffee and
iya.
then
Cuman
yeah,
kadang-kadang
I think sama ya kayak brown sugar. Kalau
tapi
saya
kalau
ini
brown sugar ada sedikit asinnya ya, dikit tapi ya.
dikit. Kalau palm sugar itu lebih manis sih, makanya saya pasti less sugar pasti. Less sugar. Okay. Kak Dewi, what do you like to have for your breakfast?
Okay. I like boiled egg.
Boiled egg.
Yeah, boiled egg.
I think Kak Dewi is apa ya, healthy person.
Iya kayaknya.
She like
Because
doing
because I think
running and then
healthy food is easy to cook and cheap.
Yeah. Iya sih.
Yeah.
Do you
You
like?
can just boil egg or no need ingredients more.
Mhm.
Kak Dewi, do you like what do you call that? Apa sih itu namanya? Like the vegetable salad with the sesame sauce or
Oh,
something like that?
yeah, I like the veg salad, but I I like more
Mm.
in just eat them, not without seasoning.
Oh, without seasoning? Really? You mean the
Mm.
raw vegetable?
Oh no raw, but just boil
Oh yeah,
quick.
Oh,
okay.
boiled
You can
vegetable.
eat straight. I like
Oh,
like that.
okay. So you
Better
like them
better than
cooked?
yeah
You like them cooked?
Yeah.
yeah.
How about you, Kak Yuma?
Um,
What do you like to
my
have for
breakfast?
your breakfast?
Yeah, it's random. Yeah, sometimes yeah, it's simple sih for breakfast. Sometimes I just cook fried tempeh or fried tofu, fried eggs, and with spinach with sambal tempong in Banyuwangi. Yeah, that's
Sambal tepong.
yeah, sambal tempong.
What
Sambal
is that?
tempong is
What is that?
okay.
I don't know sambal
After
tepong.
you
I
eat
don't
the
know.
I will
sambal,
search
you will like
sambal tepong.
being slapped many times because it's too spicy. So
Oh.
because of the spiciness, the local people say kayak sego tempong kalau habis makan itu rasanya kayak habis ditamparin gitu. Karena pedes emang.
Sambal tepong.
Yeah, sambal tempong. The recipe it's easy. You just need to add tomatoes, chili,
Mhm.
and then terasi. You know that?
Terasi.
Terasi, and then with the MSG you can say that micin boleh atau masako juga boleh. Salt and sugar. That's it. And it's common sambal in here, sambal tempong. And all of them, all of the ingredients should be fried or steamed before mixing. Jadi
Mhm.
kayak hampir setengah kayak apa ya? Kayak bukan sambal goreng tapi lebih ke agak matang gitu. So it's juicy tapi nggak mentah gitu sambalnya. Ada juga sih yang membuatnya beberapa mentah. Tapi kalau saya buatnya lebih ke digodok dulu atau agak digorengkan dulu gitu.
Mirip sambal bawang tapi pakai tomato.
Kalau
Ah,
iya mirip sambal bawang
mirip ya?
tapi pakai tomat dan terasi.
Oh.
Dan kadang-kadang itu orang-orang buatnya langsung mentahan biasanya.
Hmm.
Kebanyakan. Tapi kalau terasinya udah dibakar dulu. Sambal tempong.
Ya, kalau di sini biasanya sambal terasi aja.
Sambal terasi.
Pakai lombok ya biasanya, bukan cabai rawit ya.
Sambal terasi itu kalau ditambahin tomat udah jadi sambal tempong sebenarnya.
Oh, ya.
Mm-mm.
Beda nama aja ya.
Iya.
Oke.
Kayak sambal Lamongan gak sih?
Nah tuh, apa tuh sambal Lamongan tuh?
Sambal Lamongan itu nggak pedes tapi ya.
Iya, tapi
Kalau
gak pedes dia.
nggak pedes. Kayak sambal tempong itu kayak sambal terasi. Tapi pakai cabai rawit ya.
Cabai rawit.
Iya. Lamongan.
And what about you, Kak Desi? What do you like for having breakfast?
Actually, I never have breakfast. Yeah, but
Why?
no, I usually have brunch. Brunch. But if I want breakfast, I just have bread, just bread and milk and mineral water, just like that.
Is it okay for your kidney?
Yes. Sometimes I eat boiled egg. Yeah. But yeah, I just eat at maybe 10 a.m., 10 or 11 sometimes.
Are you on diet?
No. No. Yeah, no. Because it's habit maybe, yeah.
Yeah, maybe for some of the reason, like some of the people will face some challenges. For example, like after they are having breakfast, they should go to the toilet many times. Or
Yes.
or
True.
for me example, if I have breakfast earlier, maybe at 6
Mm.
or at 7, it's easy for me to feel sleepy all the time. So that's why maybe I will get my breakfast around 9 or 10. Do you?
Mm.
Okay, maybe is that breakfast or brunch?
Brunch.
Brunch.
Maybe breakfast at 7 a.m., 6, 7 until 8 a.m. maybe.
Okay, so you
Yeah.
can say mine was
If
brunch.
10, 11, I think it's too late for breakfast.
Mm-mm. So let's say it's
Yeah.
brunch.
Okay, Kak Dewi, what do you usually have for a snack?
For snack or what's that?
Let me guess. Vegetable or fruit?
uh,
Fruit. Yeah.
I'm lazy person, so I rarely have snack. If I'm going to hungry, I will water.
Oh, okay. Whoa, such a healthy
Always mineral
person,
I'm
water.
lazy.
seriously. Maybe that's the
I'm
secret
lazy.
for being beauty ya, kayaknya ya. Itu rasa
Okay.
cantik maksudnya. Heeh.
How about you?
Kak Desi.
What? Yeah.
Okay, I usually have nuts, everything made from nuts, maybe. Nuts ya. Apa yang jajanan itu kiloan itulah yang kacang-kacangan gitu.
Oh,
Apa
I know
bahasanya Kak Yuma?
Bali peanuts.
Kacang
Ya,
hijau,
Bali peanuts, kacang, macam-macam.
kacang
Ya.
bawang, or something
Nah,
like that.
everything made from
Peanut.
peanuts. Ya, nuts,
Oh.
ya, nuts. Not
Oh,
just
nggak
peanuts.
kacang-kacangan ya? Not only
Kacang-kacangan.
peanut.
Not only peanut. So how about you, Kak Yuma? What do
My
you usually have
snack?
for snack?
I don't know. I eat whatever I can eat, yeah. But not friends. Don't worry. Okay. Maybe oh, what do you call that? I don't know. It's just whatever that
Martabak.
people offer me.
Martabak is
Yeah, especially that's my husband's favorite because ya, apa ya, kadang-kadang honestly because my husband is not a smoker, so he tends to ngemil like snacking gitu. Jadi yang lebih snacking it's not me but my husband. So whatever that comes in front of me that given by my husband, it's okay bye lah. Okay. I eat whatever.
Everything is okay lah ya.
Everything is okay. Do you
Okay.
like sweet food, Kak Desi and Kak Dewi?
Sweet.
Sorry.
Do you like sweet food?
I think I don't like sweet food
Wow.
because I like salty food.
Oh, salty
Yeah,
food.
and spicy food. Yeah,
Is it
salty and spicy.
Is it okay with your blood tension? The salty
Yeah,
thing?
because yeah, I must drink mineral water more.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. And what about you, Kak Dewi?
Sweet food. I don't really like sweet food, but if I want eat sweet food, I prefer eat mangoes or papaya. Local food. I like local fruit.
Fruit.
Yeah.
So you
Yeah.
like
I
the
think mango is not sweet food, Kak Dewi. You
Yeah.
like maybe
Yeah.
cake like that. Yeah, I
Cake.
think it's
Okay.
a healthy
Cake.
food, yeah. Cake,
Cake.
maybe martabak, and then
It is
sweet food.
make me confused because if I buy martabak, I can finish that food alone. So it ends go trust. I don't like I don't like membuang makanan apa itu. Jadi I prefer
You don't like
Feel
to
gitu ya.
you don't like to spoil food?
yeah. Because I live alone and I can finish
Recording
that.
in progress.
Okay.
If I have partner or friends, maybe I like to eat together.
Share.
Like
Yeah,
to share
share.
your food.
Share the martabak. Okay.
Yeah.
And Kak Yuma, do
Me?
you like sweet food? Yeah.
Sweet, yes. Yeah, you can say I like sweet. I have a quite, what do you call that? Lumayan sweet tooth juga sih. Lumayan suka yang manis-manis juga, but not always. For example, like I like to drink, ya itu tadi brown sugar coffee, isn't it? Sweet? Manis kan itu ya? Or sometimes, what do you call that? Bread, chocolate bread. It's sweet, right? But I try to, what do you call that? I try to minimize it. I try to minimize consuming the sweet things because I'm getting, what do you call that? I'm gaining right now. I'm gaining. I have to avoid the sweet thing.
Okay.
Mm.
So, what local food or drink do you love?
For me or for
Kak
Kak
Dewi? Kak Dewi maybe?
Mm-mm.
Local food?
Okay. Local food.
Mm-mm.
Ayam Andaliman. I like ayam Andaliman.
Ayam Andaliman.
Yeah.
Okay, let's search.
Local food from Batak.
Oh,
Andaliman.
I will search. Ayam.
Yes, search. Andaliman.
Oh,
Ayam.
Andaliman. Oh ya, ini ada.
I think the taste is similar
With
ayam
rendang.
taliwang. Similar ayam taliwang, but tidak sekuat ayam taliwang gitu. Menurut aku ya.
Okay.
Mirip ayam taliwang.
Okay. It looks like rendang, but it's not. Apa ya?
No,
Maybe
not
it tastes
rendang.
different. Maybe we should try the recipe, Kak
Yeah.
Devi.
You have to try.
Is
And
it
what
coconut milk inside, Kak Dewi?
I don't know.
Santan kayak gitu? Pakai santan nggak?
I don't know. But it tasty. Really. You have to try. But try in
Java Island is different.
Yeah.
yeah, when you come to
Like that,
North
yeah.
Sumatra, you have to try.
Oh yeah, amin. Hopefully that we are able to come
Come
there.
to Danau Toba.
Okay.
Amin, inshallah. And what about you,
So,
Kak
Kak Yuma?
Devi? Oh, me
Oh yeah.
first. Local
Yeah, you
food
first.
or drink, maybe. I don't have any specific.
Banyuwangi ya Kak Yuma ya?
Banyuwangi. I don't have
Local
any
food
specific.
Banyuwangi.
Itu sih. But apa ya? The most what makes Banyuwangi cuisine different from other cuisine like other regencies is the spicy things or the spicy food in Banyuwangi, and Banyuwangi has kayak apa yo?
Ada?
Even though it's, for example, like Banyuwangi is near with Jember, but we have different flavor. Jember is more sweet. They really love the sweet thing or salty thing, so it's quite difficult for finding the spicy thing in Jember. So every regency has our own different signature gitu kayaknya. And to me, Banyuwangi is well known for sego tempong. It's like
Sambal tempong and
yeah,
sego tempong.
sambal tempong and sego tempong. Kayak sego tempong is like
Perfect.
just sego with lots of vegetables and the ikan asin, the salted fish, and the eggs or chickens or anything that you want, or lily or something like that, with the what do you call that? With the big amount of sambal tempong. So that's our signature. And kesrut. Ayam kesrut.
What is that kesrut?
Ayam kesrut. You should try that. Ayam kesrut is like chicken soup, but it's spicy.
Oh, chicken soup.
It's chicken soup, but it's spicy. Spicy, savory, and you should not add the sugar in it. And you can add the kecombrang too inside it.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Ah,
kecombrang.
yeah.
I know the taste of kecombrang from North Sumatra. It tastes like lemon, I think.
It's like lemon, but it has what do you call that? It has
Iya,
different smell and
Recording
different
stopped.
taste, ya kan?
ya.
Heeh.
Ada rasa lemon-lemonnya gitu.
Ya, kayak ada
Jadi
lemon,
di
tapi
sini
kayak
tuh ada
Seger lah, fresh.
segar, iya. Kalau makan di warung Padang kan ada sayur, daun ubi tumbuk.
Mm-mm.
Itu aku kira pakai lemon, ternyata dia pakai combrang. Rasanya enak seger yang di sini. Beda kali sama Jawa. Kalian
Yeah,
lihat
but in Java Island there is no
Kamu
kecombrang in
terintimidasi.
nasi Padang.
Iya,
Yeah,
rasanya
there is
kayak
no
lemon.
kecombrang in nasi
Enak
Padang, Kak.
aja.
Iya sih, penasaran ya.
Iya.
Jadi ngiler nih
Main
malam-malam
ke
nih.
North Sumatera.
North Sumatera. Ini Kak Dewi masih di nggak sih North Sumatera, masih di Medan apa gimana nih sekarang?
Kalau sekarang aku di Pematang Siantar sampai hari Minggu. Hari Minggu balik ke Medan.
Oh, jadi pindah-pindah gitu ya? Karena ya, udah
Iya.
BUMN nggak sih? Udah ya?
Kebetulan BUMN, cuman karena bagian aku kan audit, jadi periksa ke kantor cabang gitu.
Wow.
Iya, kantor.
Oke.
Kalau aku kerja di kantor pos sebenarnya, bukan BUMN yang kayak Pertamina atau apa. Jangan disamakan karena berbeda kondisinya. Tapi karena kantor pos itu kan banyak tempat ya kan, ya di kecamatan, kelurahan ada. Nah, tugas aku adalah memeriksa kantor-kantor yang berada di tempat seperti itu. Jadi hal biasa aku datang ke desa-desa dengan kondisi jalan yang sangat jauh berbeda di Jawa kondisinya, dan ya perjalanan sangat panjang. Dan kalau kalian tahu, Sumatera itu ukurannya 3 kali lipat dari Pulau Jawa. Jadi ketika perjalanan dari kota Medan ke kabupaten lain itu membutuhkan waktu 11 jam, 10 jam seperti dari Surabaya ke Jakarta, itu hal biasa buat aku.
Ngeri
Dan
juga.
jalannya ekstrim.
Ekstrim.
Semangat. Yuk.
Yes.
Oke. Apa tadi nih? How do you describe it? Udah kayaknya ya. Maksudnya kan
Iya.
kita udah mendeskripsikan ya.
Udah.
Oke. And do you
Oh,
like ini tadi tapi belum nih Kak Desi.
Yeah.
oh iya.
Okay, my local food, mendoan.
Oh yeah, I know. It's from Tempe, right?
I like it
Mendoan.
too.
It's
Okay.
tempe, tempe with flour, but it's undercooked. Yeah,
Yeah.
undercooked. Just
Undercooked.
cuma dicelupin ke minyak, diangkat.
Weak mendoan. Weak.
It's so greasy, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, breakouter milk class.
So
Hey,
fast.
do you like eating out, everyone?
I don't know.
Yes, of course.
Kak Dewi know. Yeah.
Yes, I do.
Do you like hanging out, Kak Dewi?
Eating
Hanging
out?
out?
Hanging out,
Eating
maybe
out.
like eating out with friends.
Yeah, eating out with friends or maybe family.
Iya, kalau ada yang mengajak. Kalau enggak, aku lebih suka makanan rumah.
Ini Kak ke
I
Banyuwangi,
really like.
ke Jawa. Jauh kan.
Iya. Ya. Aku lebih memilih makanan rumah sih sebenarnya.
Tapi
Ya,
Kak Dewi
rasanya nggak ada di
asli Jawa, Kak. Apa asli
Jawa. Jawa
asli
Tengah.
Jawa.
Karanganyar. If
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to search for it.
Okay.
See you everyone. Thank you so much for
Bye-bye.
Let's go to the main.
Bye.
Nice to meet you.
By the way, where's my glasses? Alright, so welcome back to our Manchester Great People. Now with the conversation. So nice actually. Yeah. I was listening and pretty good. Yeah, I truly enjoy it. Yeah. Especially in Kakak Dewi, Kakak Yuma, Kakak Desi, kelas room gitu. Good. Ya, ketika ciwi-ciwi dikumpulin itu kayak gak kerasa ya.
Talkative ya.
Yeah, so kecil ya. You guys so kecil ya. All right, so our time is up. And by the way, I need to go to meet with my brother because he will go back to Lombok tomorrow, and I need to, cap cup bentar.
Oh, seriously,
By the
your
way,
brother?
yeah, my brother.
Okay.
Okay, so good people, I'm truly happy that all of you, especially average people, come to this class. Yeah. Okay, let's close our class by praying according to trust one another. Let's pray. Begin. Amin, amin, another, and hopefully what we have been learning today is going to be beneficial and also it's going to be useful for us. Yeah. And now let's take a picture together. I know that you guys are sleepy. Yeah. Okay. Right. So let's what name? With a sweet smile. So 1, 2, and 3. Nice. Wait a minute. Day 14. So last 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Thank you so much, great people, for coming today. Okay. See you again
Bye.
tomorrow. Okay.
Thank you so much, Pak
Never,
Isan.
never stop learning because life never stop teaching. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Bye bye, Amisan. Back to you and
Thank you.
cheerio.
Thank
Bye bye.
Nah, terima
Thank
kasih
you.
semuanya.
Thank you.
Terima kasih. Wow. Lovely. Good night.
Night.
Night.